परीक्षा 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 हा काय काळजी करण्याचा विषय आहे का? आहे, पण टेन्शन घेण्याचं नक्कीच नाही. आणि काळजी कशाला करताय? तुमचे शिक्षक आणि आम्ही दोघेही तुमच्या सोबत आहोत, त्या 10वी अभ्यासमालेच्या माध्यमातून. कोरोनामुळे आलेल्या संकटात मानसिक कोंडमारा झाला असेल, मनस्थिती थोडीशी ठीक नसेल, अभ्यास विसरला गेला असेल किंवा मध्येच आठवत नसेल, काळजी करू नका. उजळणी स्वरूपात 10वी अभ्यासमालेचा लाभ घ्या आणि यशस्वी व्हा.
Hello everybody. Today I'm going to take SSLC English prose for the second language. So I'm going to deal with the lesson A Hero written by R.K. Narayan. But before that, I'm going to tell about the annual examination which are be coming soon. For this portion in the language, that prose section and the poetry sections are very very important in the examination point of view, and also the supplementary reading. So in the lessons, in the prose section, so there are 8 lessons are there, so which are very very important. And by the way, in the poetry also, so there are also 8 poems are there which are also very important. So comparing to the prose, the poetry which marks for 16 marks, so every student can get it, the 16 marks very easily. But if you think toward the prose, so we have to go very detailed we have to go for the prose section. So prose is for the 20 marks, this year it is, and the poem is 16 marks, and the supplementary reading is for the 4 marks. So totally we can get the 40 marks here, and another 40 marks which is for the vocabulary, grammar and the composition. So this way 40 and 40 it has been divided. So I wish you all the students for the annual examinations they can score very good marks in the coming examination. So now I'm going to start with the lesson A Hero written by R.K. Narayan, who is a very famous the Indian novelist. So the hero is written by R.K. Narayan, and now so in this lesson in the hero, so the main characters are Swami's father, mother, granny and his friend. So Swami is a simple boy. He is a coward and having the habit of sleeping beside his granny. So father don't want the Swami's habits that sleeping beside his granny. He wanted to avoid this, he wanted to stop this, he wanted to cultivate the good habits in him. So in the first picture it is given that Swami's father is reading the newspaper. And in this newspaper, the report is there. A village young lad, a brave boy, who while returning from the jungle path, he faced the tiger and fought very bravely. He has shown the very courage, and this the father wanted that his son Swami should be also very courageous. He should be a very bold like that boy. Then the Swami answered his father, "How it is possible, father? How a boy could fight with a tiger?" He said, "It might be a grown person, it might be a strong." Then father tells that I am joking. Then father said that courage is very important. If courage is there, we can do anything. But in the Swami's view, the strength and age is very important. In the father's view, that strength and age are not important. The courage is important. Courage is everything. So can you prove me that you have a courage? Can you sleep today in the hall office room this night, today night here? Then this was a frightful proposition for Swami. Because he used to sleep beside his granny. Any change in the arrangement could have kept him trembling and awake all night. So he is having the fear in the mind. He has the fear of darkness. How I could sleep in the office room alone? So this fearness, his father wanted to avoid all these things. He told that his father that I will sleep from the next month. But also father was firm. He told that today only that you have to go and sleep in the office room. He avoided, he wanted to excuse from all the reasons, but father was firm. He told that you have to sleep means sleep today night. Then the Swami went, he rolled his bed and he went towards the office room. And when he went to the office room, he saw that there was a dusty. He wanted to avoid still also. He wanted to escape from this. He told his father, the room is very dusty. There might be scorpions behind your law books. How can I sleep here? The father said, no boy, there are no scorpions. You sleep very sound sleep here. So don't be fear. Have a sound sleep. Then when the night advanced, that the fear begins. They deepen in the mind, and he remembered all the stories of the devils he had heard in his life. He was faint. He became very fearful that what will happen. He thought that the devil will come and he will kill him or he will carry him out from there. Then afterward, he went and slept under the bench. And while he is under the bench, he saw a nightmare, the dream, the tiger was chasing him. Then after he was fainted and he became very fear and just he tried to open his eyes, but he couldn't open his eyes. So the tiger was after him, he was running. So in this happened, then at last he saw something, a moving creature in the room. Someone is in the room. So there was darkness was there. He was feared. He thought now, the devil has come. He will kill me. He will tear him up. And what should I do? Why should I wait? So when the devil approached, the person approached there, he crouched from the bench and just he hugged tightly and he used his teeth like a mortal weapon. Then the person, he shouted loudly, "Ayo, someone has bitten me." Then the father, cook and the servant, they came for, what happened? What happened, Swami? They trembled on the burglar. The person, that it was not a devil, but it was a burglar was there. And the father came and they caught the burglar who was a notorious housebreaker of the district. And they handed to the police. The next day, the Swami became very popular in the school. He was being congratulated for his bravery. So just this boy who was a coward, who was very simple person, and now he has become a hero over the night. Within one night he has become the hero by catching a burglar who was the notorious burglar of the district. And now the police also thanked him and everyone became very happy on that day. So this is the lesson, the summary of the lesson, that how a boy from the coward to how he became courageous. So by chance, he has become a hero. Hero means who is having the ability to do something, a noble, a good things. So here, students, the hero lesson is very, very interesting, and in this lesson we can get 2 marks, 3 mark question, and also it is a 4 mark questions here. So if you go through the lessons, so you can come to know that first one, that how was Swami honored by his classmates, teacher, and the headmaster. So while writing this question for the 2 marks, then how we have to start? So you have to know that what is the question and the correct answer you should write. It should be written with a very capital letter, first letter. Mostly we see that the students that doesn't write in the first letter capital, they write it within the small letters here. So this we make the mistake. So whenever we start the lesson, we have to start with a capital letter. So here, that how was Swami honored by his classmates, teachers, and the headmaster. So we can give the answer here, that his classmates looked at him with great respect. The teacher patted his back, and the headmaster said that he was a true scholar. So this all the points should be there in the lesson, and then you can get the 2 marks. The next answer, that why did father want Swami to sleep alone in the office room? Why did father want Swami to sleep alone in the office room? So here, to prove that he has courage. He should stop sleeping beside his granny. He should not fear of darkness. So this point should be added in this question. Then how did his view differ from that of his father? So here the view differ between the father and the son, that is Swami. The Swami said that it is impossible that how could a boy fight with a tiger? He thought that he might be a strong person, he might be a great, then the strength and age are very important in the view of Swami. But in the father's view, courage is everything. Courage is important. If one has courage, one can do anything. Strength and age are not important. So this view we have to note down in this answer. Then why did Swami conclude that his father's proposition was frightful? This is also very important question is there. Because he used to sleep beside his granny in the passage, and any change in arrangement would kept him trembling and awake all night. The next question is there about why were congratulations showered on Swami. So this answer, that he has caught one of the most notorious burglar of the district, and he was handed to the police. So this is why the congratulations were showered on him. What did Swami want to be later in his life? The police has asked him, do you want to join the police? Then suddenly he said yes, but he had decided to become a engine driver, a railway guard, or a bus conductor. So how did Swami react when his father challenged him to sleep alone in the office room? So he was not ready. He wanted an excuse from all these things. And also, so these are some important questions from the lesson for the 2 marks. And also the 4 mark questions. So it will be there, that is narrate the Swami dreadful experience when he was lying under the bench. So when he was lying under the bench, so we have to remember the scene. What was Swami doing there while he was under the bench? that he saw the frightful dream, nightmare was there. Then he saw that someone has entered his room. He thought that might be a devil. He will come and he will tear him up. And in this way, all the points should be written in this point. Then how Swami became a hero overnight? This was a question is very important here. In this also, that you have to write, we have to remember the points here. How Swami's father has forced him to sleep in the office room. Then afterwards, when he slept there, what happened? That how the night advanced, he remembered all the stories, the devil stories about it will come, it will tear him up. So all the points in the first part you were given the answers. So samely that you also have to add all the points here. So it is very, very easy. So if you do the 2 marks questions, automatically you can also do the 4 marks question here. So first of all, the lesson should be read very carefully. As many times you have to read it. So when the points are very clear, and then definitely you can do this. And now, for the 3 marks questions, that is important. From this lesson, the 2 marks, 3 marks, and the 4 mark questions will be there. So 3 marks question is there. That is, why don't you join the police when you are grown up? When Swami has caught the burglar, when he handed to the police, that time the police inspector asked him, so why don't you join the police when you are grown up? So who made this suggestion? So here the police inspector said this suggestion. So who is the speaker? That is the police inspector. Why did the speaker ask him to join the police? So what is the reason here? Because he has shown the bravery. He has caught the burglar. So that is why the speaker has asked me to join the police. Was he really willing to join the police here? No. He has decided to be an engine driver, a railway guard, or a bus conductor. So next one is, leave all on strength, can you prove you have courage? Who is the speaker here? Swami's father. What was the view of the speaker regarding courage? Courage is everything. If one has the courage, he can do anything. How did the speaker want the listener to prove that he had courage? To go and sleep in the office room. So in this way, the RCs, because there are ABC will be there, every 1 and 2, the simple question will be there, you can write and you can score the full marks from the RC. So next one is, a frightful proposition Swami thought. So what was the frightful proposition? To go and sleep in the office room. So this was the frightful proposition for Swami. Why did Swami regard it as a frightful? Because he used to sleep beside his granny in the passage, and any change arrangement could kept him trembling and awake all night. What does proposition mean in the context? So here proposition means suggestions. So in the lesson, the glossary meanings are given, so they are very, very important. So we have to read the glossary which may appear in the given word. You must sleep alone hereafter. So this is the next one. You must sleep alone hereafter. Why did Swami's father want him to sleep alone? To prove that he has courage. Who did he usually sleep with? Usually he used to sleep with his granny. Where was Swami asked to sleep? Swami was asked to sleep in the office room. Next one. I don't like the way you are being brought up, he said, and looked at his wife. Who is the I? Here is I don't like the way you are being brought up, he said, and looked at his wife. Here I means Swami's father. Who was brought up like that? Swami. What was his wife's reaction? Not I, but Granny is spoiling Swami. So in this way, here the lesson hero, which is very very important for the examination point of view, for the 2 marks, for the 3 marks and the 4 marks questionnaire.
सबस्क्राईब करा तरुण भारत न्यूज चॅनलला आणि ताज्या घडामोडी सर्वात आधी जाणून घेण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.